A socket instead of a petrol station. The Audi A3 Sportback e-tron is a hybrid vehicle with high-voltage technology and a combustion engine. You can recognize it not just from the fact that it is very quiet, but also from many other features.
Unmistakably an Audi A3 Sportback. However, lots of little signs give away the fact that an advanced drive is hidden in this vehicle. A glance at the radiator grille will show the first difference to the standard model.
The radiator grille on the e-tron model has more louvers and looks bigger. Here at the front, the first badge can already be seen. Well hidden in the front, the charging socket. Using the buttons alongside, it is possible to choose various different charging modes. The badge can also be found in front of the doors on both sides. In the Ambition and Ambiente equipment lines, you can also see that it is an e-tron on the wheels. Wheels from the Audi A3 range are also available. There is another badge at the rear. The tailpipes are not visible. This is because the end of the exhaust pipe is located under the rear bumper. In the luggage compartment, under a cover on the left-hand side, you will find the tyre mobility system. And on the right-hand side, under the foam trim, there is space for the vehicle toolkit. The fuel tank to supply the combustion engine can be found under the luggage compartment floor covering. There is also a bag with the Audi e-tron charging system in the luggage compartment. It consists of the operating unit, a hexagon key, the main socket for industrial sockets, a power cable for domestic sockets, and finally, the vehicle cable to connect the operating unit to the vehicle. The trim strip in the entry areas on the driver and front passenger side also show the technology logo. There is a button in the door to unlock the fuel tank cap. There are more e-tron features in the interior. The multifunction steering wheel has 3 spokes and is flattened across the bottom. The gear knob also carries the technology badge. On the button bar below the air vents, there is a button with the designation EV. Using this button, you can select the different hybrid modes. The e-tron start screen appears in the multifunction display if you turn on the ignition while pressing the brake pedal. Instead of the rev counter, you will see the power meter. It shows the plug-in hybrid vehicle status and the availability of the plug-in hybrid system. The bottom left sector shows the brake energy recuperation, which is used to charge the battery. If the display needle is in the sector above, then you are driving economically. In the range from 30 to 100, you are driving economically with the combustion engine. In the boost area, the combustion engine and the electric motor provide the maximum system performance. You can read off the battery's charge level in the bottom right. The displays in the multifunction display can be selected using the rotary adjuster on the steering wheel. The first image shows the time and date, as well as the range on the upper image border. The next display illustrates the range. The green area shows the range with the current battery charge. The next window shows the current consumption. Here is the average consumption during the current journey and the average speed. The journey time and the mileage covered in the current journey are shown clearly here. In the onboard computer too, you will see the average consumption as well as the average speed and the driving time for the relevant total distance. The different hybrid modes are shown and the energy flows are visualized in the MMI. EV stands for exclusively electric driving. If you use the battery charge in addition to the combustion engine, the battery charge level will reduce. If you decide to retain the battery charge level, the combustion engine will keep charging the battery during the journey. In the last variant, the battery charge level is increased as you drive with the aid of the combustion engine, and this charges the hybrid battery. The operating modes can also be seen in the multifunction display. The green arrows around the front wheels symbolize acceleration with the electric drive. The battery is discharged. If your vehicle rolls without pressing on the accelerator, the battery is charged by the rolling energy. This vehicle status is known as recuperation. The same occurs when you brake. If you press right down on the accelerator pedal, the boost function is activated and your vehicle will accelerate with maximum energy. The high-voltage components, such as the power and electronics for the electric drive, can be found in the engine compartment. All the high-voltage components can be recognized by the orange-colored cables and the warning stickers. The combustion engine is located on the other side. It is a 1.4 TFSI with 110 kilowatt performance. The engine cover panel here also has the technology badge. The hybrid battery is installed from below at the rear and has a maximum charge of 8.8 kilowatt hours. The range of a single battery charge is up to approximately 50 kilometers. If only the combustion engine is used, the vehicle has a range of up to approximately 890 kilometers.
The Audi A3 Sportback e-tron is the first Audi compact car with plug-in hybrid as standard. This means that the combustion engine and electric motor combine to contribute to the overall performance of the vehicle. This vehicle has a total performance of 150 kilowatts at an average consumption of 1.5 liters per 100 kilometers. More information can be found in SSP 627 Audi A3 Sportback e-tron.
We are always looking for ways to improve our programs. Please send any suggestions, improvements and topic requests you may have to audi.service.tv@audi.de.